Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you all how to change the bowl gear or the overdrive gears in your Cub Cadet gear drive transmission. Pretty simple job. I've done lots of them, so let's get to changing these. Alright y'all, y'all may recognize this. This is the transaxle out of Plan B, the one we fixed the carrier and stuff in. So, or the ring gear, I'm sorry. Now we're going to upgrade from the 16% overdrive to a 23%. So we need to pull this bowl gear out and this pinion gear out, and we'll get that done. So I'm going to start by pulling the bowl gear out. So don't drop your parts down in the you can do this in the tractor. All right. Yeah, you can do this. You can do this in the tractor. I've done it. So there we go. All right, got that gear out. Next thing is we need to pull this pinion out, and I've made up a little tool, just a cheap thing. It has a little collar on it, and it just slides in there. And I've lost my regular pin, so I'm just going to use a 1/4 inch bolt, and it goes on. And I'll get the camera over here and get you guys a better shot. So, alright. Let me grab the camera here and we'll get you over here and get you a better shot of this. Alright y'all, this is how it works. You know, the pin just goes through. This is your pinion up here. This is the collar that I made with a little puller. Just goes up, and there's a seal right in there. So I'll put a wrench on there and we'll pull that pinion out of there. So I'll put you back in the stand and we'll do that. Alright. Gotta turn it the right way. There it is. That's all there is to it. So there you can see there's the seal, there's the bearing. We got to take these off. I'll reuse this seal. I got to get this bearing off of here, the bearing off of here, and the seal off of here, and we'll yeah, see that seal will come right off there. I can reuse that. It wasn't leaking. There's a snap ring right in here. I'll get that snap ring off. This will come off, and we'll put it on our new one. So this is a 14 tooth, this is a 15 tooth, so that's what you need to run the 23% overdrive. So let me get that off there. That's all done. I'll get that bearing off, put on there, and we'll throw this thing back together. Alright y'all, got this bearing put on this new pinion gear, so we're going to go ahead and finish the install here. So let me get a little light on the subject in here. Get that in there. Make sure it's seated all the way back. Get this. Grab my impact. Oh, not that socket. Alright. Alright, there's that. That's good and tight, good and taut. And now, just need to stick our pinion in here. And where's my slammer at? Tap that back in the housing. There's that. That's back in. Now get our seal. I know this hammer's way oversized for this job, but it's the one I had on hand, so. Okay, there, she's all in there. So now all I gotta do is put the front cover back on it. We'll put a little the stuff on there and put all the bolts back in it, and we're done. So simple as that. Like I said, you can do these in the tractor. I've done them in the tractor. It's not that bad job to do in the tractor. So that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Alright y'all, there you have it. How to change the pinion and bowl gear in your standard shift gear drive Cub Cadet transmission. Hope it helps some pullers out. Hope it helps some other people understand you know, what we're doing here. And it's like I showed you, it's a really easy job. It can be done in the tractor. Like I said, I've done it a few times in the tractor. This is just sitting on the bench, and I needed upgraded anyways, so we did it on the bench. But now we're going to get it, put it back in Plan B, and we're going to go pulling. So thanks for watching. Please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything we do here on the pulling tractors, at the track, in the kitchen, or wherever we happen to be at the point in time that we picked the camera up. So appreciate y'all, love y'all, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.